Welcome the our channel. Today we how to upgrade your user engagement with Discord, complete guide step by step clearly. Create a Discord server tailored to your audience's interests and needs. Choose a memorable server name and include a compelling description. Set up appropriate channels for different topics to encourage engagement. Designate roles for members to foster a sense of belonging and hierarchy. Implement rules to create a respectful and inclusive environment. Promote your Discord server on your other social media platforms. Encourage members to invite their friends to broaden your community. Host regular events like game nights, Q&A sessions, or workshops. Utilize bots to automate tasks such as moderation and event reminders. Encourage discussions by posting prompts and questions in various channels. Recognize and reward active members with special roles or shoutouts. Collaborate with other content creators to cross-promote your server. Create a feedback channel to gather suggestions and improve the server. Ensure that moderation is present to handle conflicts and maintain a positive atmosphere. Use polls to understand your community's preferences and plan future events. Foster a community culture by engaging with members regularly. Utilize analytics to track engagement and identify areas for improvement. Continuously adapt and update your server to keep it fresh and exciting. Engage with members directly through voice chat to build a stronger connection. Maintain a balance between structured events and casual, spontaneous interactions. Encourage user-generated content to inspire creativity and ownership within the community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.